going on, everybody? Going to look at some Aussie pairs. We just had New York session close here, and we just took profits on a lot of our Swiss trades. That's Aussie CAD. Here is Aussie Swiss. You can see we entered in at the same support level, maybe a little bit early, That's all right, but we're still at the 78.6 level here. And I'm looking for a bounce here on Aussie Swiss, CAD Swiss, and Euro Swiss as well. But I was just looking at Australian dollar, Japanese yen before I hopped on this call, and this is looking like a good area of support, especially if we go back in time. And this is something that I teach in the accelerator of how important it is when in doubt of what might be going on, to look left. Looking left can save you. I know it sounds so elementary, but man, I'm telling you, it'll save you a lot of pain, so to speak. And you can see right now it's 430. Spreads are still super big for in the session change right now. So waiting for those to chill out, but definitely looking for an entry here on Aussie yen. You can see we punched in this into this level of support here, and this is a nice demand zone. Really seems to be holding up pretty well. Have a nice grouping of candles right there. So this is telling me, all right, well, if we're going to potentially see a bounce in Aussie yen, where else could we see some moves? With the Australian dollar. So naturally, want to go to Aussie US dollar next. We've been trading these AU and NU pretty well, having a great run at them lately, and we're going kind of sideways now. So you can see we're still in a similar type of range that's happening right now. Of course, we have the FOMC on, well, Jerome Powell testifying tomorrow. Tuesday is going to be a little wild in terms of data. Here's Euro Aussie, looking at a pretty good opportunity here, especially if we were to retest these highs. Nice order block right here. And shout out to Tariq in the group. I think I don't want you to watch this and be like, dude, that's my chart here. But is that the same one? Yeah, it is pretty similar to what you shared. And I saw that and I was like, oh man, that is right on. That's one of the cool things about the accelerator groups, that everybody, the level of trader is very high, and there's, I see good ideas and good trade setups there all the time. So that is my funding group where I mentor people and help them to get funded. So this is looking like a really good setup as well. That would mean we'd see some temporary Aussie weakness going into some Aussie strength, which already kind of showing itself here in the pound. And Aussie New Zealand dollar, and man, look at this nice retest, this order block right here, right? So there's some really good moves right now that seems to me to be setting up Aussie for a move higher, and I'm really looking at that on the Aussie yen. So so that being said, I think I'm going to send this out to the group. I already shared it in the accelerator. Keep an eye on the Aussie. Volatility is going to pick up tomorrow big time, and especially as we go into towards the end of the week on Wednesday. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to be in our groups, click the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the VIP group. Adios.